Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how to change the middle screen, which is called the info panel. So the first thing we do is push that button there. And then the first selection is info panel. So we're going to click that once. And then it will show, right now music is playing. So what we're going to do is push the up button once. There's navigation. Push it again. That's empty panel. Push it again. That's your driver's assistance. 4x4 info. Trip summary. And then back to your radio. If you wanted the trip summary, which is one back, just go back one on there. So right now is trip summary. And if we want that, if you look at the bottom, it says press O to select. So we're going to press O, which is right in the middle. And now there's your trip summary. Hope that helps.